Start by cooking the pasta with some salt and water until al dente. Meanwhile, clean the broccoli and cut it as desired. Separate the desired amount of sweet corn and set aside. Chop 1 onion into small squares and set aside. Now, cube 2 chicken breasts, mix them with the spices including paprika, salt, Italian seasoning blend, and chili flakes, and set aside to marinate. Sauté the chopped onion in a pan with a little oil, then add the chicken and sauté. Meanwhile, add broccoli to the boiling pasta and cook until tender. Add cream cheese to the chicken and mix well. Then add the corn kernels along with half a cup of pasta water to the pan and let it cook for 3 minutes with the lid closed. After this time, add the drained pasta and broccoli to the pan and mix well. Serve the pasta in a serving dish, garnish with some Parmesan cheese, and enjoy your meal.